Om Sri Sai Ram. My most humble pranam at the lotus divine feet of Mother Sai. Today we start our computer class. First of all, join your hands, close your eyes, start three Omkars. Sai Ram. Today we start lesson number 5, the mouse. T-H-E, the M-O-U-S-E, mouse. All of you know about the mouse? Yes, this is the mouse. This is the main important part of the computer. A M-O-U-S-E, mouse. H-A-S, has. T-W-O, B-U-T-T-O-N-S, buttons. C-A-L-L-E-D, called. T-H-E, the. L-E-F-T, left. B-U-T-T-O-N, button. A-N-D, and. T-H-E, the. R-I-G-H-T, right. B-U-T-T-O-N, button. A mouse has two buttons called the left button and the right button. A S-C-R-O-L-L, scroll. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. H-A-S, has. A S-C-R-O-L-L, scroll. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. B-E-T-W-E-N, between. T-H-E-S-E, these. T-W-O, B-U-T-T-O-N-S, buttons. A scroll mouse has a scroll wheel between these two buttons. W-E-V-C-A-N, can. M-O-V-E, move. T-H-E, the. S-C-R-O-L-L, scroll. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. T-O-2, M-O-V-E, move. A P-A-G-E, page. U-P, up. A-N-D, and. D-O-W-N, down. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. You can move the scroll wheel to move a page up and down on the screen. A W-I-R-E, wire. C-O-N-N-E-C-T-S, connect. A M-O-U-S-E, mouse. T-O-2, T-H-E, the. CPU, B-O-X, box. A wire connects a mouse to the CPU box. A W-I-R-E-L-E-E-S, wireless. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. W-O-R-K-S, work. WITH W-I-R-E, without a W-I-R-E, wire. A wireless mouse works without a wire. All of you see in this picture, this is a mouse. It has two buttons. One is the left button and second is the right button. In the between of these two buttons, you can see one wheel is there. It is called scroll wheel. इसको क्या कहते हैं हम? Scroll wheel. And what is the use of scroll wheel? We use scroll wheel to move the page up and down on the screen. Screen में पेज को up down करने के लिए we use this scroll wheel. And all of you know, all the devices are connected with the CPU. Same as mouse is also connected with the CPU box by the wire. One another mouse is there, wireless mouse. It connects without the wire. There are two types of mouse, with wire mouse and without wire mouse. That's called the wireless mouse. Next is HOW, how, TO2, HOLD, hold, a MOUSE, mouse. How to hold a mouse. WEV, PLACE, place, THE, the, PALM, palm, OF, off, OUR, or, HAND, hand, OVER, over, THE, the, MOUSE, mouse, TO2, HOLD, hold, IT, it. We place the palm of our hand over the mouse to hold it. PLACE, place, THE, the, THUMB, thumb, ON, on, THE, the, SIDE, side, ASS, SHOWN, son. Place the thumb on the side as shown. PLACE, place, THE, the, INDEX, index, AND, and, MIDDLE, middle, FINGERS, fingers, ON, on, THE, the, LEFT, left, AND, and, RIGHT, right, BUTTONS, buttons. Place the index and middle fingers on the left and right button. All of you see in this picture how to hold a mouse. आपको mouse को कैसे पकड़ना है? You can see in this picture. This is your middle finger and this is your index finger. You put on left or right click and your thumb on the side of a mouse and you can hold it like in this position. आपको इस तरह mouse को पकड़ना है. You can hold your mouse by this position. Then HOW, how, TO2, USE, use, a MOUSE, mouse, how to use a mouse. THE, the, FIRST, first, THING, thing, WEV, CAN, can, DO, do, WITH, with, a MOUSE, mouse, IS, is, TO2, MOVE, move, IT, it. The first thing we can do with a mouse is to move it. WHEN when, WEVMOVE move, THE the, MOUSE mouse, WEVSEEC ANN ARROW arrow, THAT that, MOVES move, O and on, THE the, SCREEN screen. When we move the mouse, we see an arrow that moves on the screen. THIS this, ARROW arrow, IS is, CALLED called, THE the, MOUSE mouse, POINTER pointer. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. SO so, WEVUSE use, a, MOUSE mouse, TO2 POINT point, AT THINGS things, O and on, TH the, MONITOR monitor. So we use a mouse to point at things on the monitor. Now how to use a mouse? First of all, you move a mouse on a mouse pad. One arrow is on screen that will be moved. You can see in this video also one arrow is moving. This arrow, that is mouse pointer. इसको क्या कहते हैं हम? Mouse pointer. It is moving same. You move a mouse on a mouse pad. Same to same. If you move to the right, your mouse pointer will be moved to the right. If you move mouse to the left, your mouse pointer will be moved the left. And you can also use this mouse pointer to select a thing on a monitor. Whatever you want to select, you can use this mouse pointer to select it. Then TH the, NEXT next, THING thing, WEV CAN DO do, WITH with, a, MOUSE mouse, IS is, TO2 CLICK click, ITS its, LEFT left, OR or, RIGST right, BUTTON button. The next thing we can do with a mouse is to click its left or right button. WHEN when, WEVPRESS press, a, BUTTON button, WEVCAN can, HEAR here, a, CLICKING clicking, SOUND sound. When we press a button, we can hear a clicking sound. The next use of mouse, we can click the left or right button. All of you know there are two buttons are there. One is the left and second is the right button. Now we press the button. That time we can hear a sound, clicking sound. That sound is called a clicking sound. Whenever you press a left or right button, one sound is heard by you that's called a clicking sound. Now we learn about the different types of click. First is the left click. L-E-F-T, left, C-L-I-C-K, click. First of all, we learn about the left click. W-H-E-N, when, W-E-V-P-R-E-S-S, press, T-H-E, the, L-E-F-T, left, B-U-T-T-O-N, button, O-N-C-E, once, A-N-D, and, R-E-L-E-A-S-E, release, I-T, it, I-T, it, I-S is, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, a, L-E-F-T, left, C-L-I-C-K, click. When we press the left button once and release it, it is called a left click. W-E-V-U-S-E, use, L-E-F-T, left, C-L-I-C-K, click, T-O-2, S-E-L-E-C-T, select, A-N-N, I-T-E-M, item, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. We use the left click to select an item on the monitor. When you press the left button once and release it, आप एक बार लेफ्ट बटन को दबा के उसको छोड़ देते हो, दैट्स कॉल्ड अ लेफ्ट क्लिक. उसे क्या कहते हैं? लेफ्ट क्लिक. दैट्स कॉल्ड अ लेफ्ट क्लिक. And that left click is used to select an item on the monitor. Anything, any program, any file, any folder, if you want to select it, you have to use the left click. Once you click and then release it. Next is R-I-G-H-T, right, C-L-I-C-K, click, right click. W-H-E-N, when, W-E-V-P-R-E-S-S, press, T-H-E, the, R-I-G-H-T, right, B-U-T-T-O-N, button, O-N-C-E, once, A-N-D, and, R-E-L-E-A-S-E, release, I-T, it, I-T, it, I-S is, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, a, R-I-G-H-T, right, C-L-I-C-K, click. When we press the right button once and release it, it is called a right click. W-E-V-U-S-E, use, T-H-E, the, R-I-G-H-T, right, C-L-I-C-K, click, T-O-2, O-P-E-N, open, a, L-I-S-T, list, O-F, off, O-P-T-I-O-N-S, options, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. We use the right click to open a list of options on the monitor. I previously told you there are two types of click, left click and right click. Now we know about the right click. When you press the right button once and release it, it's called the right click. जब आप राइट बटन को एक बार प्रेस करते हो, उसको रिलीज करते हो, दैट्स कॉल्ड द राइट क्लिक. एंड व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ राइट क्लिक? Right click is used to open a list of options on the monitor. Most often we are using the left click. Whenever we need the options of that particular program or files, that time we use the right click. Next is the double click. double double click, click, double click. when, WEVQUICKLY, quickly, PRESS, press, THE, the, LEFT, left, BUTTON, button, TWICE, twice, AND, and, RELESE, release, IT, it, is, CALLED, called, a, DOUBLE, double, CLICK, click. When we quickly press the left button twice and release it, it is called a double click. WEVDOUBLE, double, CLICK, click. On, ANN, ITEM, item, TO2, SEEC, WHAT, watt, IT, CONTAINS, contains. We double click on an item to see what it contains. Previously we learned about the left click, right click. Here we learn about the double click. What is the double click? Whenever you press left button twice, quickly, remember it, quickly, whenever you press the left button twice and then you release it, that's called the double click. लेफ्ट बटन को आप क्विकली 2 बार क्लिक करते हो फास्ट and then after you release it, that's called the double click. And what is the use of double click? Double click is used to open the content of that particular file or folder. And double click is also used to open any program, any icon on the monitor, whatever icon and programs and files you see on a monitor. If you want to open it, you have to double click. Next is drag and drop. DRAG, drag, and DROP, drop. WEV, can, MOVE, move, ANN, ITEM, item, on, THE, the, MONITOR, monitor. We can move an item on the monitor. FOR, for, THIS, this, WEV, LEFT, left, CLICK, click, on, THE, the, ITEM, item, TO2, SELECT, select, IT, we can move an item on the monitor. For this, we left click on the item to select it, THEN, then WEV, KEEP, keep, THE, the, LEFT, left, BUTTON, button, PRESSED, pressed, A S S W E V M O V E move, T H E the I T E M item, W I T H with, T H E the M O U S E mouse. Then we keep the left button pressed as we move the item with the mouse. THIS this, IS is CALLED called, DRAGGING dragging. This is called dragging. Whenever you select particular item and press the left click and you keep the left button pressed and then move a mouse with that item, particular item, means particular icon, file, folder, whatever it is, that process is called dragging. लेफ्ट बटन को प्रेस करके रखना है कोई भी पर्टिकुलर आइटम पे एंड देन यू ड्रैग इट, आपको माउस को वहां से ड्रैग करना है, दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द ड्रैगिंग. देन आफ्टर WEVRELEASE release, THE the BUTTON button, TO2 PLACE place, THE the MOVED moved, ITEM item, IN in, NEW new, POSITION position. We release the button to place the moved item in a new position. THIS this, IS is CALLED called, DROPPING dropping. This is called dropping. THE the ENTIRE entire, PROCESS process. IS is CALLED called, DRAG drag, AND DROP drop. This entire process is called drag and drop. First of all, you select a particular file or item on your monitor. Then after you drag your mouse, that process is called dragging. Then after, where you release your mouse button, that is called a dropping. आपने एक प्लेस से एक फाइल या एक आइटम को मूव करके यू पुट दैट पर्टिकुलर फाइल और आइटम ऑन द न्यू प्लेस, नए प्लेस पे नए जगह पे उसको रखा, दैट्स कॉल्ड अ ड्रॉपिंग. एंड दैट होल प्रोसेसिंग इज कॉल्ड ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप. एक पर्टिकुलर आइटम को या फाइल को या फोल्डर को वन प्लेस से अनदर प्लेस पे मूव करने के लिए we are using the drag and drop option. That process is called drag and drop. Now our lesson is complete. Our class is also over. Join your hands, close your eyes and do the Shanti mantra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram. Take care.